Good morning, good evening to you all. Welcome to the AGI live show. Let me take this opportunity to introduce myself. I am B. Rajesh, Vice President Sales and Marketing of AGI Miltech India. You would have heard from our management about what AGI Miltech stands for and what are our capabilities. Just to summarize, we are the preferred global company for all grain processing solutions. We manufacture and market 2 TPH to 20 TPH paddy processing lines. We have a very structured business approach. Our sales is more of value selling consultative sales approach. The new products that we launch are led by innovation, and we have excellent engineering and manufacturing capabilities to support all our product capabilities. Once the products are commissioned, our after sales team provides 24/7 support. This as a whole gives best in class service to customers, and that is what we stand for. We create a wow experience by providing end-to-end support to customers. Let me again brief through what presentations we have covered. So the corporate video of AGI Miltech has been covered. We have also presented to you the end-to-end solutions video, which is a 3D animation video. And now I am going to present about our rice milling solutions, which is in 3 parts. First would be on the cleaning solutions, and then I will present on the milling solutions, and finally on the color sorting solutions. So the basic function of a pre-cleaner is very simple. It removes all those big sticks, straws, mud lumps, immature grains, and any other large impurities from the paddy. That's the basic function. And it has applications in various grains. It can be used for paddy, wheat, pulses, seeds, millets, and the capacity will vary with the bulk density and the moisture content. It's a big machine and it's installed outside the mill. Our pre-cleaners have a closed body, so the dust will not move around. It has got a very good blower and an aspiration system to remove all the impurities. So it will remove all these large impurities so that the paddy that comes out or the grains that comes out will be free of all this material. The design is very rugged, so you get a very high life for the pre-cleaners. So pre-cleaner was the first machine which is outside the mill. Now let's talk about machines which are inside the mill, which are also part of the cleaning. So pre-cleaner has removed the large sticks, straws, mud balls. Now you have some fine impurities, some oversized and undersized impurities inside the paddy, which needs to be removed. So that is removed in a machine called classifier. So classifier is a machine which has got a vibromotor, and what it does is it separates all the oversized and undersized impurities from the paddy so that the good paddy comes out as the output. It has applications in paddy, wheat, pulses, seeds, millets, and here also the capacity will vary with the density and moisture content. The good thing about our classifiers is our separating efficiency is very, very high. The construction is very robust and the maintenance is very, very low. So the next cleaning machine inside the mill is destoner. So as the name suggests, destoner is a machine which removes stones and other impurities from the paddy. Destoner efficiency is very important, and our machines provide high separation efficiency of stones. It's a sturdy and rigid machine, heavy duty in construction. The screens are of stainless steel and hence the life is very high. So overall maintenance cost of a destoner is low, and it has got very high segregation efficiency of stones and other impurities from paddy. So the first machine from the milling solution is pneumatic sheller. The application is removal of husk from the paddy. So it's a simple machine where the paddy flows. It falls in between two rolls which are running at differential speeds. The rotation of the rolls will remove the husk from the paddy. So it's a very simple application, but the precision with which this machine operates will ensure that we get a very high hulling degree. In our sheller, we get 92 to 95% hulling degree, which is one of the best in this application that you will ever find. It's got a inbuilt cooling system. It's an electronically controlled. So once the husk is removed from the paddy, it needs to be removed out of the system. So there is a machine called husker which is placed below the pneumatic sheller that has got impellers which will remove the husk from the paddy, and that will be blown out of the system through a blower and cyclone mechanism. The next machine in the milling line is a tray separator. Now tray separator's function is to separate paddy from brown rice due to its differential density. So the tray separator has three outputs. The input is the paddy along with some husk and some brown rice that enters. The output is you will have plain paddy coming in one output. The other output will have mix of brown rice and paddy, and the third output would be brown rice. The paddy that comes out of the output is sent back to the sheller. The second admixture of brown rice and paddy is again sent back to the paddy separator to do the separation. And the third output, which is brown rice, goes into the next stage. Now, paddy separator is a vibrating equipment. So it needs to be of a robust structure, and our paddy separators are robust, strong. It has got stainless steel trays for separation, and there are sensors to check the flow indication. The next machine in the milling solution line is thickness grader. The brown rice from the tray separator is fed into thickness grader, which has got drums that are rotating. The function of a thickness grader is to separate oversized brown rice from the normal brown rice. So it is done through a drum where the oversized grain is separated from the normal rice and it comes out separately. The uniqueness of this product is the efficiency and the accuracy of the sieves that are there in the drums. Our thickness graders provide high efficiency of separation of thick rice from normal brown rice. An integrated cleaning brush counter rotates along with the drum to prevent choking of the sieves. The next machine in the milling solution line is rice whitener. This is a very important machine and the function of the machine is to remove the brown color bran from the kernel in the brown rice. Whitener has got a set of grinding stones which rotates at a certain RPM, that is a rated RPM, and it provides an abrasive action on the brown rice, by means of which the bran layer is removed from the kernel in a whitener in different passes. This is to prevent breakage of the rice and also give high output. Our whitener gives superior output and efficient removal of bran from the kernel. It is done gradually to prevent breakage of kernels. And our whitener is designed to give very low broken in the kernels, which means it gives high yield to any miller. To summarize, our whiteners give very high output, very high yield, and can operate on raw, steam and parboiled rice. The next machine in the milling solution after whitener is a silky polisher. As the name suggests, it gives a very good polish to the rice that comes out of the whitener. The principle is the rice that comes out of the whitener has got some scratch marks which is left from the whitener. So there is a humidifier cabinet on top where the mixing of water and air happens, which forms a homogeneous mixture, and it sprays into the mixing chamber through a nozzle system. The rice gets exposed to this homogeneous air and water mixture, and it rubs against each other to give the polish to the rice. This is the working principle of a silking polisher. Our silky polisher delivers excellent output and very superior finish on the rice, and as the name suggests, it gives it a silky glossy look on the rice. Once the rice comes out of the silky polisher, it goes for the next set of grading, and it is done in a machine called length grader. The application of the length grader is to separate broken rice from the head rice through separation and segregation principle. Length graders have got various drums with indents, and the head rice is separated from 3/4, half, quarter rice in the length grader. The size of the indents will determine the efficiency of segregation. Comes from the teardrop nature of the indent, which is uniqueness in our product, and our length graders provide the highest degree of segregation that you will find in this industry. Now we have come to the end of the milling solution. However, to support all these core machines, there are a lot of accessories that are required. I will just take you through the list of accessories that are there in any rice milling solution. The first of the lot is a grain discharger. Grain discharger transfers paddy or rice from one machine to other. The next set of accessory is magnet. Magnet is an accessory which is placed above a whitener or a silky polisher, and the basic function of a magnet is to attract any magnetic particles like bolt, nut or any other iron particles and prevent it from entering into the whitener or a silky polisher, and thereby prevent damage of the equipments. The next accessory is a cyclone or a recovery unit, they call it, and this is basically to recover all the dust or bran that comes out of the system. It is collected and put in one location. The fourth accessory is a brand discharger, which has got a geared motor. This is basically to ensure that the brand that comes out of the whitener is discharged at one location. So we have completed the cleaning solution and milling solution. The last but not the least important solution in a rice milling is a color sorter solution. Color sorter uses a high-end technology of hardware, software and lighting background to remove damaged and discolored rice from the input rice. AGA Milltech has partnered with Mayer, who is one of the world's best color sorter manufacturer, and this partnership has led to various innovative color sorting solutions that we provide in the market. Our color sorting solutions have been positioned for various customer segments. As you know, there are various customer segments starting from an exporter to a retailer to a custom milling. And our color sorter solutions have been segmented as per the customer segments. So we have IOTA, which is best in class color sorter for the exporter segment. For the retailer segment, we have Zeta and Gamma series. And for the custom milling segment, we have Alpha and Micron series that we position for this segment. So what I will do is, I will talk through about the best-in-class product, which is IOTA Color Sorter. IOTA Color Sorter is a high-end technology product that keeps you ahead of the time. It has got very high-end cameras that are infrared and InGaAs with confocal HD and slow motion cameras. The function of an IOTA Color Sorter is it removes all kind of foreign materials that are there in the rice or any grains. This color sorter meets stringent food security norms in the export market, and hence it is preferred by most of the exporters. It has got a very high scanning speed of 35,000 lines per second. The ejector life is very high as it comes with a patented maglev technology, and the life is 13 billion cycle, which is equivalent to the life of a color sorter. In this color sorter is 1:70, which means that in every 70 bad grains, there is only one good grain that goes in. Hence, the yield of this color sorter is one of the best in this industry. The next series of color sorters that I am going to show are Zeta, Gamma, Alpha and Micron, and they have different brand messages. Zeta is predominantly for the retail segment, for those who believe in premium quality. It has got excellent cameras with high pixel, very high ejector life and very good rejection ratio of 1:50. The next in the series is Gamma series, which is known for high speed and high accuracy. This color sorter also has got very high pixel cameras, high scanning speed and a rejection ratio of 1:30. The next series of color sorter model is called Alpha model, which is highly efficient and reliable color sorter, and it is a versatile color sorter used by some of the retail customers and custom milling customers. The rejection ratio is 1:20 and it's an extremely efficient color sorter, giving very good high output. The final color sorter model that we have is Micron, which is a value for money sorter that is used for custom milling. It is a very efficient color sorter and gives a rejection ratio of 1:15. The rejection ratios that we mentioned are at a 5% dark input contamination. So if you look at all the models, we have models ranging from iota till micron that covers the entire spectrum of customer segment. So this was the presentation on entire rice milling solution. We also have pulse and maize processing solutions, and the machine comprises of cleaning solutions for pulse and maize. In the pulse and maize processing solutions, we have cleaning solutions like gravity separator, classifier, destoner. So now that we have got the final rice or final grains as output in the bins, they need to be properly packed and then loaded and transported. So our packing machine is a single dose, two dose kind of system, and it can pack ranging from 5 kilograms to 75 kilograms. The uniqueness of our packing machines is the high degree of accuracy that we provide. It ranges from plus minus 10 grams to plus minus 20 grams. Plus minus 20 grams is the accuracy that is delivered on 50 kg to 75 kg pack. The packing machine works on a load cell principle, and it has got a rough feeder, fine feeder. It is a PLC controlled equipment and has very high degree of accuracy. Thank you very much for your valuable time taken out of your busy schedule to make it for this presentation. We really enjoyed this session and hope you too enjoyed this session. In case you have any queries, do get back to us and we would be happy to attend to them right now, or you can also send in your mail to our marketing ID marketing@milltechmachinery.com, or call our toll-free number 1800-102-8431. Thank you once again for joining the session. Have a great day.